Good morning, students. Welcome back to your science online classes after your half-yearly examinations. Children, we have recently completed our unit test 2, right? So, now we are going to start the syllabus of unit test 3, which is going to be held in the month of December. So, for that, our first chapter is chapter number 6, that is soil erosion and conservation. हमारे दिसंबर मंथ में अब जो एग्जाम्स होंगे दैट इज़ योर यूनिट टेस्ट 3. फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर सिलेबस एंड द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ दैट यूनिट टेस्ट इज चैप्टर नंबर 6, सॉइल इरोजन एंड कंजर्वेशन. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज़ अ सॉइल? इस चैप्टर को शुरू करने से पहले व्हाट इज़ अ सॉइल? सॉइल को हिंदी में बोलते हैं मिट्टी, ठीक है. सो मिट्टी, दैट इज सॉइल, इट इज़ द मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल नेचुरल रिसोर्स as it is the basis of all life. हमारी जो लाइफ है उसका बेस है. It is found everywhere and it is the topmost layer of the earth. ठीक है. सॉइल में प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं, क्रॉप्स ग्रो होते हैं, ट्रीज ग्रो होते हैं. सो विदाउट सॉइल देयर वुड बी no life. There would be no possibility of life until and unless there is soil. Okay. So there are 3 layers of soil which we are going to study in this chapter, that is topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. We have studied and I have discussed this topic in your life class. Okay, so we have studied about soil and importance of soil in the life class. Today we are going to study about soil erosion. Soil erosion क्या होता है? हमने soil के बारे में पढ़ा, what is a soil. Now, what is a soil erosion? As we know, soil is a very valuable natural resource and on earth, the soil does not remain where it is formed. जहाँ पर वो होता है, जहाँ पर वो form होता है, वो हमेशा वहीं नहीं रहता. So, soil is a natural resource found on earth. Now, we are going to study what is soil erosion. Soil erosion क्या होता है? Soil erosion is the carrying away of the top layer of the soil. Soil का जो top layer होता है उसको carry away. When the soil is carried away from one place to another, that is the top soil is carried away from one place to another, is the soil erosion. Or you can say soil erosion is the displacement of upper layer of soil. Upper layer of soil, that is top layer of the soil. When it is displaced from one place to another, that is soil erosion. Right. Now soil erosion हमने पढ़ लिया कि what is soil erosion. Now we are going to study about the different agents of soil erosion. How is soil eroded? किसके through soil erode होता है? How it is caused? How soil erosion is caused? Soil erosion is caused by, there are 2 processes, that is natural process and human activities. There are 2 process by which soil is eroded. The first is natural process and the human activities. Naturally soil कैसे erode होता है? It is carried away by 2 agents, that is water and wind. Water and wind say that is naturally occurred and soil is eroded. It is carried away. By wind, soil is eroded how? See, vegetation keeps the soil in the place. जब तक वहाँ पर vegetation होगी, plants होंगे, trees होंगे, crops grow होंगे, the soil would not be eroded. When the soil is not covered with the vegetation, it will be blown away by the strong winds and the soil will be eroded. Now coming on to water. How water erodes the soil? When the fast flowing rivers have muddy water, and when the flow of the water will be faster, the soil erosion will be greater. That is how naturally the soil is eroded. Coming on to the human activities, there are 3 ways how soil is eroded by we humans. We humans are responsible for soil erosion. जैसे कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग trees कट डाउन कर देते हैं, है ना. तो वो भी एक मेन रीज़न है जिसकी वजह से सॉइल एरोड होता है. सो देयर आर 3 ways which we are going to study in this video. This is overcropping, overgrazing and deforestation. First of all, we are going to study about deforestation. Deforestation means द कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज इन द लार्ज नंबर्स. जब हम ट्रीज को बहुत लार्ज नंबर्स में कट डाउन कर देते हैं, दैट इज डिफॉरेस्टेशन. वी आर कटिंग डाउन द ट्रीज. Forests are being cut down not only for the wood but also to build roads, farmlands, hotels. ये सब चीज़ों को बिल्ड करने के लिए, वहाँ पर बनाने के लिए हम फॉरेस्ट को कट डाउन कर देते हैं, जिनसे कि हमारा ट्रीज कट हो जाते हैं. ओके, लीडिंग टू डिफॉरेस्टेशन. और उससे क्या होता है, जब लैंड बैरन रह जाता है, बैरन मतलब जब उस लैंड पर कुछ नहीं होता, वो खाली होता है, दस लीडिंग टू सॉइल इरोजन बाय विंड एंड वाटर. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, फॉरेस्ट को कट डाउन कर देते हैं वहाँ रोड्स बनाने के लिए, बिल्डिंग्स बनाने के लिए. बाय द टाइम द रोड्स आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड, बाय द टाइम द बिल्डिंग्स आर बिल्ट, द सॉइल इज लेफ्ट बैरन, दैट लैंड इज लेफ्ट बैरन. वहाँ पर कुछ नहीं बना होता ना, खाली होता है वो. तो इतनी ही देर में क्या हो जाता है, दैट विंड ब्लोज अवे द सॉइल, water carries away the soil and the soil erosion takes place. Right, this is how deforestation leads to soil erosion. The next is overgrazing. Overgrazing में क्या होता है, the cattle are reared by human beings and are left to graze on the same piece of land year after year. This results in the soil being left exposed as the plant cover is reduced. This in turn leads to soil erosion. ओवरग्रेजिंग में क्या होता है, कुछ फार्मर्स होते हैं जब वो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को पीस ऑफ लैंड पर छोड़ देते हैं उनको ग्रेज करने के लिए. व्हेन दे ग्रेजेस, वो सॉइल भी थोड़ा सा डैमेज कर देते हैं. दे डैमेजेस द सॉइल एंड दे रिमूव द प्लांट कवर, जिससे कि क्या होता है, सॉइल ब्लो अवे हो जाता है एंड इट लीड्स टू सॉइल इरोजन. सो ओवरग्रेजिंग इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट, you can say one of the most important factor which leads to soil erosion. Right. The next is overcropping. When land is continuously formed, the nutrients are drained from the soil, which destroys soil structure and makes it less fertile. जब हम एक ही जगह पर बहुत सारी क्रॉप्स ग्रो कर देते हैं, उस सॉइल के लिए वो फर्टिलिटी नहीं रहती इतनी क्रॉप्स ग्रो करने के लिए, तो सॉइल की जो फर्टिलिटी होती है वो लेस हो जाती है एंड सॉइल इरोड्स. So that is overcropping which leads to soil erosion. So these are the three main agents which is caused by us humans: overcropping, overgrazing and deforestation, the main causes of soil erosion. Right? So today we have studied about the agents of soil erosion naturally and both by us humans. So please children, watch this video carefully, and this is the content by which soil is eroded. Okay, the agents I have explained you naturally also, and human activities, how by human activities the soil is eroded. You have to watch this carefully, video very carefully, and I will be giving you the questions related to this video. If you will watch this video, you will be able to do the questions. Okay, do watch this video carefully and do the work in your science notebook as given. I will be giving you in your 5th class group only. Okay, so that is all for this video children. Thank you and have a nice day.